Alfredo sauce is creamy, rich, and best of all, it comes together very quick, very easily. Anybody can make this. This is a beginner recipe. Let's get started. The base of the Alfredo sauce is raw cashews. I'm soaking them in boiling water for 5 minutes. This is for those who have a high-powered blender. If you do not have a high-powered blender, soak them either overnight or boil them in water for 5 minutes. This will make them soft enough to blend easily. I drained my cashews and I'm adding fresh water into my blending cup. The seasonings include salt, a small amount of onion powder, and a pinch of nutmeg, which might sound strange, but trust me, bro. I'm adding 1 garlic clove, which is completely optional, and I'll discuss that more in the description box. A bit of lemon juice gives the sauce balance. The recipe is in the description box below. And I add some vegan parmesan. Hey, I'm very active on Instagram. Come on over to my Instagram page, follow me, let's be friends. Time to blend. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. It's free, and I can't grow my channel without you. Because I added a garlic clove, I like to cook off that raw garlic flavor for just a minute. This is optional but recommended. Mix your pasta in. If the sauce is too thick, you could add a bit of pasta water or plain water to get the right thickness. I like to top mine with extra virgin olive oil, parsley, and more parmesan. Ooh. Doesn't that look amazing? So good, so good. If you're enjoying this video, click this one next. My husband keeps telling me not to do that. I have to do another. I'm not done.